Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. This tutorial will guide you through the simple steps to design a professional and modern logo for your business. We shall use Zenith Tech Solutions as our example. No prior design experience or software is needed. Everything is done in your web browser. Let's dive in. Go to your web browser. Now type in logomaker.com. If a tutorial pops up, simply close it. This is a quick overview of the interface before we start. Search bar at the top is used to search for icons. Text and shapes at the left panel adds text and various shapes. We also have the color wheel, which changes colors of selected elements. For Zenith Tech Solutions, we want an icon that conveys innovation, progress, solutions, or a peak or apex like Zenith. In the search bar at the top, type terms like tech, innovation, data, abstract, arrow, or peak. This is a tip for it. You can also click Browse All Logos to explore categories like abstract shapes or technology. Browse through the results for Zenith Tech Solutions. Let's find an icon that looks like an abstract upward pointing arrow, interconnected nodes, or a stylized Z. Example, we will choose an icon that represents connectivity or an upward trajectory. Perhaps an abstract geometric shape that suggests growth or a network. Click on your chosen icon to drop it onto your canvas. Drag the corners to make it larger or smaller. Click and drag the icon to reposition it on the canvas. To make the logo more unique or to add another layer of meaning, type solution, network, or gear for problem solving. Choose another simple icon that complements the first. For instance, if your first icon was an abstract Z, you might add a subtle circuit board pattern or a minimalist gear. Position it thoughtfully to create a combined visual. Our goal is that the two icons together should subtly represent Zenith, that is peak excellence, and tech solutions. Now, let's add the company name, that is Zenith Tech Solutions, to the logo. Click on the text button in the left panel. A text box will appear. Just type in Zenith Tech. Drag the corners to resize and click or drag to move the text. Use the guidelines to help center it. With the text selected, go to the color wheel on the right. For a modern tech look, consider a dark gray, black, or even a deep blue. To change the text font, click on the text, go to the font category, drop down and select simple and modern for a clean, professional, and contemporary look. Then go to the font family and choose a font that is easy to read, has a minimalist feel, and conveys stability and innovation. Avoid overly decorative or funky fonts. To give the logo more visual interest and clearly separate the elements, we will add solutions separately. Add another text box and type solutions. For solutions, you can use the same font as Zenith Tech for consistency, or choose a slightly lighter weight of the same font, or even a complementary sans serif font if you want more contrast. Place solutions clearly below or next to Zenith Tech, aligning them appropriately. An example is Zenith Tech in a bold, clean font and solutions in a slightly lighter or regular weight of the same font, or a complementary simple sans serif. Color is vital for a tech company logo. It should feel modern, reliable, and innovative. Blues, greens, and purples are common choices, often paired with gray or black. Let's color the icons. Click on your first icon, go to the color wheel on the right. Now drag the outer wheel to a modern color, perhaps a vibrant blue, a futuristic green, or a sophisticated purple. Select your second icon, choose a slightly different shade of the same color, darker or lighter version, or a complementary accent color. E.g., if your main color is blue, you might use a subtle gray or silver for the second icon. Once you are happy with your Zenith Tech Solutions design, it's time to save it. Save. Click the Save button in the top right corner. Download the low resolution file. You will see an option to buy the high resolution file. Below that, click on No Thanks. Download the low resolution file. Note, Lawmaker requires you to credit them if you use the free low resolution file. This can be a small mention on your website or in your business materials. Now locate your download. The file will be downloaded to your computer, usually in your downloads folder or desktop. The downloaded file will be a PNG. Now for the sprinkle of modern taste. On your browser, type on jitter.video and click enter. On the homepage, click on the templates button on the ribbon section, then move to logos section. You'll find surplus templates. Click on your desired ones, and for the text, edit them manually. For the images, click on the replace media, and just like that, you are all done. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.